Software Spring. Presents. Unique function, 1 question quiz, with demo of answer, in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this 1 question quiz, on unique function. A demo of the answer follows, after the answer is revealed. Here is a brief intro to unique. Unique returns one or more data rows, from specified range, by removing any duplicate entries. Moving forward, let's take a look at the unique function formula. To answer the quiz question, you may want to refer to this formula. Alright, here is the quiz question. With reference to the data on the left, the formula, unique, A3 to D7, will return which rows? In this formula, range is, cells A3 to D7. Okay, here are the answer choices. The time to answer this question is, 30 seconds. Good luck. The time starts now. The correct answer is D. Demo. Let's begin by typing the unique function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, UNI, and select unique. What is range? The range is cells A3 to D7. From this range, unique will return rows by removing duplicates. OK, for range, select the range A3 to D7. We will omit the by column and exactly once arguments, as these are not in the quiz formula. The final formula is. Press enter. There you go. Unique has returned the rows 3 to 6. The function has not returned row 7, because it is a duplicate of row 3. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.